Welcome one, welcome all to my backyard. Just a couple good old boys and a gun and 2 targets.
Pellet gun.
What are we doing today?
We're shooting a pellet gun at targets to decide the month of August because Dan and I tied, but there's no such thing.
No such thing. It doesn't get any bigger than this.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. I won honors, so I suppose I could have chose who shot first, but it doesn't really matter at this point. I'm not liking my spread already from our practice shots. I'm shooting for the left target, as West is one to do. Dude, that shot right where I aimed it, so I gotta start aiming left, not right.
DC, we're both 0 for 1.
Are we ever?
What are we doing? 0 for 5? 0 for 10? How many are we shooting?
Dude, I say 10.
I shoot 10 each?
Yeah. I'm like sighting in the gun as I'm going. This is not where I want to be. Outside left, but I'm getting closer. Walking it in, guys, walking it in. Outside right, clip the edge of it.
Clip the edge. All right. I gotta bring it back in a little bit now.
A little bit, you're walking it in now. I'm gonna try trusting the sight a little bit more this time because last couple times it's gone right where I aimed, and that's not been a good thing. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo!
6 points?
Barely, but it's a 6er. Flip black.
I gotta hit a target at some point.
Let's go, Davy Crockett.
This is the first time I've shot a gun that wasn't on a video game since I was like 12. This is fun.
Nice. Not doing too bad in that case. You're
15 years.
You're chasing it. Chasing it. Got it.
Yeah.
Just outside the white. I'm not sure how many points it is, but I'm gonna guess 4. How many points is it? Oh, SS. How many points are we giving that?
Yeah, what does SS mean?
You're a Nazi.
Do I get points for that?
It means you're a Nazi.
All right, so I got 1 point for that. So DC's up 6 points to 1.
That's correct.
After 3 shots?
3 shots, 7
shots
to go.
All right, here we go. Got any more points outside of your 6 so far?
No.
Okay.
Tree.
Tree?
Hit tree.
Tree.
One point for 7. Well, I'll be. Did I see one go in the orange? I did. You got another one right next to your first one. Dose.
All right, DC.
It's number 6.
Number
We're
6.
On the back half. We're coming in. Bottom right again? No. I go inside the orange. Man, I'm scooping that orange up. Another one. 8. The bullseye is 10 points. You could erase this in one lucky shot, right? Yeah. Those 2 weren't technically that one, and then you got one over here.
Oh, cool. I fucked the tree up over there.
It sure did. America. Ooh, low right.
Low right?
Just outside the orange. Oh, that's a 9, buddy. Barely missed that 10. That's a 9. 17. Where we at, sir?
It's a blowout. It's 17 to 2.
It's getting away from you.
After 7 shots. I didn't think this was going to go my way. It's going exactly how I thought it was, and I'm pretty pissed about it.
Harness the rage. Do Dixon proud. You clipped it, I think. Pretty sure. Yeah, you clipped it. You clipped it. Just left. But you got the line.
Got
so
a point.
You did.
Only down 14, guys.
Not sure. Felt like I jerked.
7 or higher, it's over.
That's a 9.
That's it. That's it. It's over. After 7 shots, I'm done.
That felt like basketball, probably how I felt. Except I went 0 for what? 13?
Proud of himself.
We're going on the fridge.
He wins August because I am not a good shot.
No. To be honest,
I don't know why I agreed to this. He texted me
I thought
this.
it would be pretty fair.
He texted. It
We're both
wasn't.
Eagle Scouts.
He
We've both done this.
He texted me this, and I was like, as soon as I replied, I was like, yeah, it sounds good. I was thinking, I was like, well, there's no way I win, and here we are, and I've lost. So yeah.
I tried to add a scope, but the glasses weren't doing any favors.
This went poorly.
You get a pick next.
We'll see you guys on Tuesday.
Later.